This year I can see is much bigger and brighter. As you also know, we're moving towards the celebration of 10 years of this program. We now have more than 150 legends who have been awarded or recognized or respected in our city. When you nominate a living legend, it must be someone who is morally upright, someone who has done a lot to change lives of people, someone who is leaving a legacy behind. And that legacy is not about accumulating his own wealth, but it's about making other people rich and improve their lives. Now, by respecting and honoring these people publicly, we want everyone to recognize that doing good is very important. It is good on its own to do good.